he still relies on his mother for milk. To keep him well fed, she must go fishing, leaving him alone for the first time. At this age, he should stay in the safety of his hilltop home and wait for her to come back. But curiosity gets the better of him. This is the first major milestone in his life. He tumbles 100 feet towards the ocean edge, and his situation quickly turns from bad to worse. He's too young to tackle the rough seas alone, and his fur won't be waterproof for another 2 months. He's at the mercy of Mother Nature. Saved by the sea. But he's exhausted, hungry, and still too young to feed himself. Only one can save him. His mum. But to him, all adults look the same. And worse still, they're ferociously protective of their own young. A lone pup could easily be killed. He remembers his mother's unique call. So he can pinpoint the sound of his mum among the hundreds of others and make it to safety.